Hey guys, welcome back to PepTalks with Niranjan by Jiva Shastra Abhyasa. In this video, we are going to get few tips of last minute study to Neet examination. Thank you for subscribing to this channel and crossing the 200 mark subscriber, and also I hope you people support me like this for the more future educational content. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the notification whenever the video comes up into the platform. So what's the wait? Let's begin. Tip number 1. Try to get the meanings and the definitions of the highlighted words in your NCERT book and also which is from the first year NCERT book and from the second year NCERT book of 11th and 12th, and also which is known as first PUC and second PUC in the Karnataka. Tip number 2. Try to get the full background information about the examples which have been given in each and every topic of in your books of NCERT. The tip number 3. This is a very important tip. So that is, you have to try to solve the mathematical problems which are present in the genetics of the 11th and in the 12th book. So genetics parts, the mathematical problems which comes in the genetics parts, you have to solve that. And the tip number 4, that is, try to get the scientific names of each and every topics. Okay, so whoever, for example, I will tell you one topic is there, any topic you can choose. The scientists who have given their works on that particular topic, that you have to get, and that you have to know about the scientist's name. For example, the scientist like Gregor Mendel, who has known as father of genetics, who have come across the genetics, complete genetics, who has given a brief information, a particular information for us to know about genetics. That scientists you have to find out, dig out in the book, and you have to write down their names and in front of them what they have given to the field of biology. And the fifth one, that is the last tip of this in this video, that is try to solve the previous year question paper. Okay, you have to solve the previous year question paper with the 4 options. That means you have to solve the 4 options which is present in each questions of the previous year question paper. And I'll tell you, I want to suggest you that, so try to solve each and every topic in the manner. So first you have to take the topic, the definition of the topic. Then you have to come to the scientists who have given their knowledgeable thoughts over that particular topic. Then you have to come to the examples, procedure, then the principle behind that particular topic, whatever the topic you are going to study. So this might get you into a good number of marks in the NEET, and ranking might you can get. So by this, following this methodology, in a short time you can get more information from the 11th and 12th books. So as you all know that is 13th September 2020. As of now, the NEET examination has been decided. So try to get all the information, dig out the information from the NCERT book itself. The syllabus is also from the NCERT book, as you all know that. So this is up for this video, and also all the best for your examinations. Keep going, keep moving, keep studying. So until next time, you have to do one thing, that is, you have to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the notifications to get more informations from the educational videos. Until next time, let's hit the road of success together. Jai Hind.